Oh my gosh, I am so sorry for not posting. Oh my gosh, it's been forever, I know, okay? I have some explaining to do. So I had softball every single day. Like when I was in school, I mean I'm still in school, but it's summer now. We had softball practice and games every single day. And I didn't get home till like 9 because I usually had like hitting after or something. So that's why I haven't been posting. I'm so sorry, and I know it's gonna be like that next year, but I'm gonna try and post more next year when it's that time again. So I'm gonna be posting all summer though. I promise. I know you won't believe me, but you'll see. I'm gonna be posting. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be doing just like an update with everything. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. And yeah, so let's get on with this video. Okay, let me zoom y'all in. So, oh my gosh, that pimple is so bad. I picked at it last night because I'm stupid. And now it's red. Okay, so I already told you guys where I was. And that's just softball. And hate to break it to you, but I have more softball this summer. I have tournaments. That's every summer, so I know how to work around that. So I will be able to post because I have all week. I just have to practice a couple days of the week, so I'll be good. So I'll be able to post. I just got this Wet n Wild blush. I heard it's good, so I'm gonna try it out, and I can't get it open. That's the blush. It's really pretty. So something just happened and it's really creeping me out. So yesterday, after Jiggy was done working, he came over to my house, and so I remember specifically, like, because I closed the garage door and then I shut the door, and I remember specifically, do not lock that door, because Jiggy knows my garage code so he can get in and I don't want to lock him out, you know? And the reason why I was thinking that was because I ordered Uber Eats, and the guy who delivered my food looked scary, I'm not gonna lie. And I didn't want to chance anything, so I was about to lock that door too, but I just closed the garage door. So anyways, so I know for sure I didn't lock it, okay? And get this. So I hear a knock on the door, and it's Jiggy in the garage because he can't get the door open because it's locked. And he was like, why did you lock the door? And I'm like, I didn't. Like, I specifically remember not locking it. And I know, to this day, even though it was yesterday, I know that I did not lock it. And I keep telling him that, like, I did not lock that door. And like 10 minutes ago, my brother and my mom locked themselves out of the house, and they were in the backyard. And when, you know how like when you lock a door, like the front door, the back door, it has the lock out so you can't lock yourself out, like it sticks out so you can't close the door. That's what's on my doors. So they couldn't have locked themselves out because the top lock was locked. There is a ghost in my house, and I know I'm not going crazy because that literally happened to me yesterday, and I know I did not lock that door. I've had like, I think I've talked about it on this channel where like I feel like there's something around me in this house. Like, I'm not scared, I'm just so like, I just feel like there's someone with me. And I've lived in this house my whole life. Like, I'm about to be 16, so nothing bad has happened to me. But yeah, I've been on summer break for about maybe 2 weeks now. Maybe a week and a half, I don't know. But I went to Oklahoma City a couple of days ago. Me and my dad stayed for 4 nights. And we do this every year. We go and watch the World Series for softball, so that was pretty fun. And I'm going to Cancun in late July, so. Okay, I just posted on my Instagram to ask me questions because I don't know what to talk about, because I don't really have anything that goes on in my life, so literally it's just softball. That's basically all I do, so Okay, question number 1 is your favorite makeup product. I really like the MAC lip gloss. It is so pretty, and it's like a perfect color for me because like I'm not that tan, but I'm not too fair. So it's perfect. I don't have it with me right now, it's downstairs. But you can see like the gold reflex in it when it hits the light, and it's so pretty. Okay, it says, what's your favorite memory with Jiggy? I would have to say when we went to Gatlinburg. It's pretty fun. It's amazing. We went swimming, we went into the mountains, we went on like the sky lift, and it was so fun. That was last summer, and this summer we're going to Cancun, so that's probably gonna be my favorite memory. So I'm really excited for that. My pimple, oh gosh, it hurts. Do you ever like just feel so disgusting after you pick a pimple? Like, I feel like I have to wash my face right now, but I did already. So, I know this is a get ready with me, but I don't know what to talk about, so I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna do for my face. Right now, I'm just putting some of this Lumig lotion on the high points of my face. I'm bringing it down. I'm not gonna put too much on my forehead because that's where my pimples are. Some on my nose. I wouldn't do this if I was gonna wear foundation because I want to look more, not matte when I have foundation on, but not as glowy. And I wear this when I'm going for a natural look on the face because it makes me look like I'm actually glowing. And I don't think this stuff does well when it's under, like, when it's under, like, concealer and stuff. So I'm putting it on the places where I don't usually put concealer. And my new obsession is this, the Becca Illuminating Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. I'm in the shade Porcelain. This stuff is so good. It's so creamy, and like little goes a long way. But you can layer it if you want more coverage. I'm a person who doesn't really like full coverage because I don't really have that much to cover except that big pimple right there. Other than that, I have like pretty clear skin, so I don't really like to put a lot on. Okay, now I'm going in with my Fit Me powder. This stuff is amazing. And I can recommend, like, stuff is a lifesaver. Best powder I've ever had. Now I'm not necessarily baking, I'm just pressing it. And not with the same beauty blender, this is with a dry beauty blender. I'll go in with my wet beauty blender after I'm done with this part. And I find when you put powder and concealer on your pimples, it makes it look even worse. So I would recommend just leaving it alone. I mean, if you want to put, like, if you're doing foundation, then yeah, you can put that over it, but I think it draws more attention because then on the outside of it, it looks all crusty. So I don't really like to go over it. And plus it irritates it more. So then it will be there for longer. Okay, now I'm gonna try this blush out. It's the Wet n Wild and Pearlescent Pink. Kind of nervous because I'm kind of picky with my blushes. My favorite one is this, the Catrice one. It's amazing. I got it in a boxy charm though, so I don't really know what to do with it. And it has some shimmer in it, so if you don't like that, and this probably isn't for you, but it's not overwhelming, like at all. Like you can barely even see the shimmer in it. I don't know. It's cute, but I mean it's good for drugstore, but I like my Catrice one better, so I'm gonna go over that. And it's like kind of ombre, so if you want a lighter shade of pink, you can pick that. This just gives me more of a glow. It's not just directly on the face, it like blends in naturally with the glow that I already have on. Oh my god, my hair keeps getting stuck in my cartilage piercing and it hurts. This happens to me on the daily. It hurts so bad to where like it gets sore because my hair is always in it. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to highlights. So I'm using the Glow Kit by Anastasia. And I don't want a heavy glow, just because I already got some glow already. So I'm gonna be using a fan brush. I'm going in with the shade Summer and Moonstone. Okay, now I'm going to spray my face. Wait, hold up. I gotta do my lower lash line. Okay, so basically the trick to this, just get a littler brush, kind of. And whatever you did on your top, do it to the bottom, but like with a lighter shade. So, simple as that. Now I'm gonna go in with my mascara and answer these last few questions. Someone asked, what's your favorite sport? That's easy for me, softball. Where do you want to travel to? Australia. Australia is somewhere I've always wanted to go because I have one of my good friends that lives up there that I met online, and we've been talking for like 6 years. So as soon as I turn 18, I'm going. I'm pumped. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a like and subscribe. And I promise I'm gonna be posting way often. Doesn't even make any sense. I promise I'm gonna be posting way more. So make sure to turn that bell on, and it'll let you know when I post. So I hope everyone has a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.